The big goal this year, and I'm sticking to it, my number one big goal, keep your eyes on the purpose, and the big picture goal for the year 2022 is for us to buy a single family home. What house number is this? 4. Huh? Number 2. Number 2. Guys, we got a house under contract. So we are at the house
that we're about to move to.
Hopefully we have a contract in. I'm here today at the house for the inspection. We are at the house. It is final walkthrough day. Guys, it's closing day. We just got our clear to close on our new house and I'm so excited. We're walking into closing. Mom, you so proud?
Congratulations!
Thank you! What we just do, babe?
4 hours, babe.
In the closet space, this could be used for storage, it could be used for coat closets, which is great because that's something that we did not have at our previous home. Then we're gonna pivot over to the living room. So here is our formal living room here with this beautiful brick fireplace. This house was built in, was it 1964, right?
I think 3.
1964, so a lot of character.
I said 3.
1963, I'm sorry, 1963, so a lot of character, not your typical cookie cutter shape, which is what we wanted, something different that wasn't just moving. We kind of wanted to put our own spin on it. But this, like beautiful things like this, you don't really find in the newer homes. All right, we're gonna pivot over to the formal dining room. So this is our formal dining room. I love this light fixture here. We'll probably be changing this out. We'll be changing out a lot of things. This is just the empty house tour. But this will be our formal dining room. And these doors lead out to the backyard, but I'll show you guys that last. Next is Dashi and our kitchen space. So here in the kitchen space, it is beautiful here. I love these cabinets. I love the rustic look of them. They are all equipped with lighting inside of them. You have these beautiful granite countertops and this beautiful garden style sink, which is like every girl's dream. Stainless steel appliances, 5-burner stove. You have the stainless steel refrigerator, freezer side by side. These are 42-inch cabinets, so a lot of storage space, and I exclusively love that it has really good organization tactics like this Lazy Susan built in. We actually have 2 of these, and look at this, guys. How cool is this spice rack that is also built in right here by the stove, making it convenient, putting those spices out of sight. All right, we're gonna pivot to another level. It is a split home, which means there are multiple levels. So what are we going first, babe, up or down?
Don't mind.
Wanna go up?
Yeah, don't.
So up here is our sleeping quarters, and it starts here with our son's bedroom. So our sons will be sharing a room for the beginning of us being here, and this will be this room. So Dashi's joined us. This is their room as a blank canvas here. It has this cute little window here, and it's your basic room. I do love this closet space. Again, whoever lives here really thought about closet systems because it's already a system in place where you can even customize it by adding on the different types of things that come with it. And then this one has this crazy little space that Dash thinks is a hiding spot. But I think I'll use it for some type of storage space. So really good space up in here. Again, things that you don't really find in newer homes. Okay. Across from their room is our first bathroom, which is a nice standard size bathroom. You have these drawers on the sinks, which I love. Watch out, buddy, okay? These drawers in the sink, which I love, again, for storage purposes. And this mirror that is really huge. And it opens up like this. Hey, can you hit the other light? So there are 2 lights here, and it is equipped with a full standing shower in this bathroom. All right, coming here, you have what was a linen closet, but they turned it into a laundry space. So there is a washer and dryer unit in here. And you still have a bit of storage space here on the sides to store things if need be. Moving into Denham's room here. Again, another average size bedroom. Really cool bedroom here. And then you have her closet space, which also has a closet system. Let me see, buddy. Has a really nice closet system in here as well, which I love. And then we're gonna move into the master suite, which is right across here. Now they did leave in the master suite. They left this headboard, which we decided to keep, but we're gonna refinish because y'all know I'm not really a brown girl. But it is a cool piece and it's perfect for the space because the vents are below there, so we could probably do something with this. This master is standard size. It's pretty cool. I do love that they already have the outlets for the TVs already up high in every bedroom, so we don't have to worry about an electrician having to move them. But there will be some cosmetic changes to this room. And this closet is massive. Baby, finally get you a nice big size closet. So this will be Dante's closet all to himself. And I'll show you why when we move to the next level. Then coming over here, you do have the master bathroom here. Very big bathroom. We are going to paint the colors. There are a lot of lighting options. Why does it not come on? There we go. This one must have blown. We're going to have to get that one replaced. But cosmetic changes coming to this bathroom as well. We'll definitely keep you posted. We got to put one of the sliding barn doors on here so that you can slide and kind of just walk into the oasis. We also talked about getting one of the crawford tubs put in here, which would be great as well. And this was left here, but we're not keeping it here. We're going to get some type of storage unit, but clearly not that. Okay, so that completes the sleeping quarters. We are now going to move to the next level of the home. Okay, so we are now on the next level here, and right outside the door from this level is a full bath as well. So come on in here. Now this full bath has an actual tub in it. It has an actual tub, which we all love that it has the doors because the kids tend to get the floor wet. So I do like that this has a door on it. And I do think that the boys will probably prefer to take a bath down here than the shower upstairs for now. Then you have a nice full-size sink in here, same drawer system that was in the bathrooms upstairs. And then your toilet space and the same vanity set here. I like this as well. Nice little storage unit there. And then also on this level, you have the guest bedroom. Now, eventually we plan on turning this into Denham's bedroom, but she's just not ready yet. But it's a full-size bedroom right here. It will be our guest room for now. With a nice full-size closet with some very unique, but I kind of love storage unit. This cedar is everything if you ask me. I kind of like this. Baby, you like this or no?
That's cool.
It's Ooh, okay, yeah. I kind of like this. We'll change the lighting out because it's kind of dim in there. And then it's a full bathroom in here as well.
I would love that bathroom so much.
He said he's gonna love this so much. It has a full-size shower with these really
I know, good. It's a small door.
these French doors. I've never really seen these before.
Me either.
And a vanity set that does the same thing. We figured out like you can kind of keep this on at night to do like a nighttime facial routine or something, like this light here instead of
And
having
that's
a
what y'all
big
do
light
when y'all
on.
do makeup? Like,
I guess, I don't know, babe. I don't wear makeup. Moving on, next door to the guest room, we have what we're going to turn into the gaming room slash playroom for the kids. A nice little space where they can kind of contain their toys and things of that nature. This one does not have a closet, which is why we chose it. And I can't wait for you guys to see the transformation of this room. I think it's going to be really, really cool.
this might be the best room.
This might be the best room. I think Dash agrees with that. You think this is the best room? Okay, and then moving on to this room here, this is going to be my closet, which is a closet slash office space in here. So I plan on putting like some built-in wardrobes here, using this closet for like seasonal change outs and things of that nature. So
I'll press that one.
So she left me with a closet and got a whole room.
correct. See how that compromise, babe, compromise. All right, now we are going to move down to where we think we will probably spend the most time with entertaining and the kids. So this is like our family lounge area down here. This will be moving. This big, huge system, possibly in my wardrobe area. Kind of put a big TV here and just making this like a really comfortable area where we kind of entertain. We are going to change out this TV station and all of this over here. This TV will be moving into the guest room. And this will kind of be like our dog corner here. But also down here you have a secondary kitchen, which is the one we probably will be using more so than the one upstairs. It has another full-size refrigerator and the pull-out freezer, which I always have loved. So excited. Okay. It has a sink, another closet, a stove here, and then some cabinetry that we're probably gonna paint or like refertilize. I'm not really a fan of this glass, but it's fine. And then over here is the full-size laundry space. We're actually getting the units put in here, but we're gonna create just like a quick little laundry section over here. All right, so I'm going to take you guys to the backyard, and that will complete our tour. I'm ready. I'm gonna show them the backyard. Okay, so this door leads to our backyard, which I already stated. And look at our blind system. I really like this. It's built into the glass, so you don't have to worry about your kids ruining it. Like this. Or you can leave it down and get one of those. This is the carrot backyard space.
Carrots!
Very huge patio space. Very big patio space out here. We actually own more of this lot, so we're going to get it re-fenced to add in kind of our grassy areas, to just make it a full backyard space that includes grass and this nice patio section here. Thank my lovely fiance for recording it. I don't know what it's going to be like for editing. My co-star Dash here. All right, guys, so that concludes our empty house tour. Make sure that you are subscribed because I just have so many things coming. We are definitely going to turn this house into a home. It is not your cookie cutter build house, which I'll talk to you guys about in my life update section. If you haven't already seen it before this, don't really know how I'm editing this. But yeah, it's not a cookie cutter. It's very fun. It's something different, and I really want you guys to come along on the journey as we transform it. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Leave some comments down below. What are some ideas based off of the rooms that you see here that we could do? What are some color schemes you think that we should consider? All those great things. So I'm definitely here for all of that. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.